Welcome to Car Show 1, the channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting vehicles from around the world. Whether it's cutting-edge supercars, powerful off-road machines, or the toughest construction vehicles, we cover it all. Stay tuned as we take a deep dive into the 2025 Palazzani machine, a true game-changer in the world of bulldozers. The 2025 Palazzani is more than just a bulldozer, it's a technological marvel designed for extreme efficiency, power, and versatility. Built by Palazzani, a company known for its innovation in heavy machinery, this machine pushes the boundaries of what a bulldozer can do. It's engineered to handle the toughest terrains, from rocky landscapes to muddy construction sites, delivering unparalleled performance in the most demanding conditions. One of the standout features of the 2025 Palazzani is its advanced hydraulic system. This system ensures smoother operation, greater lifting power, and increased efficiency. The intelligent hydraulic controls allow operators to make precise movements with minimal effort, reducing fatigue and improving productivity on the job site. Whether it's digging, pushing, or leveling, this bulldozer does it with incredible accuracy. Powering this beast is a next-generation diesel engine that meets the latest emission standards without compromising performance. With an impressive horsepower rating, it delivers the raw power needed to tackle the toughest jobs. The fuel efficiency of this engine is a major highlight, allowing operators to work longer hours with fewer refueling stops. This not only saves time but also reduces operational costs, making it a smart investment for construction companies. The 2025 Palazzani is also packed with cutting-edge technology. It features an advanced GPS system for precision grading, ensuring that every movement is optimized for efficiency. Operators can rely on real-time data to adjust their approach, minimizing errors and improving overall job site accuracy. The onboard monitoring system keeps track of the bulldozer's performance, alerting the operator to potential maintenance needs before they become major issues. This proactive approach to maintenance helps extend the lifespan of the machine while reducing downtime. Comfort is another key aspect of the 2025 Palazzani's design. The operator's cabin is built with ergonomics in mind, featuring a spacious layout, air conditioning, and adjustable seating for maximum comfort. Noise and vibration levels have been significantly reduced, allowing operators to work for extended periods without excessive strain. The intuitive touchscreen control panel provides easy access to all major functions, making it simple for even new operators to get up to speed quickly. Durability is a defining feature of the 2025 Palazzani. Built with high-strength materials, it's designed to withstand extreme conditions without compromising performance. The reinforced undercarriage and wear-resistant components ensure that this bulldozer remains reliable, even after years of heavy use. It's a machine built to last, making it a valuable asset for any construction or excavation project. Safety is a top priority, and Palazzani has integrated several key safety features into this model. Automatic emergency braking, 360-degree cameras, and enhanced visibility ensure that operators have full control over their surroundings. These features help prevent accidents and make the machine safer to operate in crowded or high-risk environments. The 2025 Palazzani is a powerhouse that combines strength, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're working on large-scale construction projects, land clearing, or heavy-duty excavation, this bulldozer is built to handle it all. With its impressive performance, innovative features, and commitment to sustainability, it sets a new benchmark for bulldozers in 2025. Stay tuned for more incredible vehicle showcases right here on Car Show 1.